Hello, my friends. These birds visit me every day. God is great. Thank you.